new hair color. Who is this? Who is this? I'm Jessie and you're watching my channel. Today, y'all, well, like a few days ago, I dyed my hair. As you can see, I'm natural. I don't got no part, like, this is my dry hair. No damage, no nothing. Like, this is where my hair was before. It's the same texture after, just a different color. Okay? And I use box dye, no bleach, box dye. So keep watching and get into this process, okay, baby? Okay. I'm really about to do this again. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I need to tell my mom knows. I ain't tell my dad. Y'all see how much my hair has grown though? Oh my God, that smells so strong. Oh my God, that shake this good enough? Bro, what the world? This smells really strong. Oh my goodness. I should have did a smaller section. And now I didn't got it on the gloves and I'm trying not to get it in my roots. Yay. Bro, this smells super strong. Oh my gosh, I got some in the black part. Whatever. This is Brad Mundo or whatever, is that his name? He would be so disappointed. Hey girl, what are you doing? Hold on. Cause I do want to make sure. Actually, I'm not even gonna say nothing, cause make sure of what? I don't know, y'all. This is about to be so patchy. I don't even know if it's all like saturated, but I think so. I'm gonna just move on to the other section. I probably should. Why didn't I split this up before? Just like a series of bad decisions. I don't even know why I tried to lean over to see the time, because y'all, I have really bad vision. If you can, I don't even know where that went. But yeah, I have really bad vision. cannot see far. Last time I dyed my hair, the box said leave it on for like 30 minutes though. And I had to leave it on. I left it on for like over 2 hours just to get to the color that I was at. I do not suggest defying the directions of the box, but I mean, like, I still got hair on my head and it's not totally, I don't think, it's not damaged. So if you got virgin hair, which obviously my hair isn't virgin anymore, but semi, then you might want to consider that if you're not seeing like changes within the time constraint. But again, I don't want to be responsible for nobody's hair loss. So do whatever you're comfortable with. And if y'all see, like, the pieces in the front were already lighter, kind of. Bro, I just keep dropping this stuff. Yeah, this is what I should have been doing. I should have been doing this one more near the top, because this one isn't as light apparently as the other one. So I should have did the other ones more on the tips, but it's too late for me to try and be logical. Ow. Is it just me, or like, are y'all seeing no change? Like, I will admit, I can be a little impatient. I want that change to happen immediately, expeditiously. It's getting hot in here. Somebody open the window. Don't you open the window? It's more, is that, oh, I was gonna say it's on my neck, but that's the Vaseline. I am doing the thing where I'm doing the part closer to my roots because the bottle's running out. And it would make more sense for my roots to be lighter. At least I think so. I mean, not my roots, my tips, whatever. Y'all know what the heck I meant. It's so hot in here. Okay. I feel like the front of my hair be lightening faster than the back. Or am I tripping? Like, do y'all see it already lightening? Or am I tripping? Alright, anywho. This bottle is empty. So I'm about to open the lighter one and do the tips. Boom. Bap. Bam. Yeah, get fancy with it. Get fancy with it. Okay, can you do a trick? Because I can. I feel like I'm shaking now. Okay. Powder. This just really does not have like a rip thing on it. Oh, I guess I could use the scissors. That makes more sense. Oh, that one is not going in the box. I mean the bottle. Bro, do y'all see it? I'm trying to wiggle it to one side because why is this one being messy? Bruh, what? Y'all can't even see it because it's on my side of the bottle. It ain't even have to do all that. I don't even care. It's how you mess. Look, all on the side of the bottle. For what? I use the paper to wipe it off. Even though I got paper towels right there. Stuff it right in the box. Alrighty. Bro, like, do y'all see the front getting lighter? But, like, the first part that I applied it to isn't even getting lighter. This is about to be real interesting. I don't even know if I cut it or not. Yep, because it's definitely coming out. Oh, it's strong again. Bro, I don't know which one of them ingredients is smelling like that, but oh my gosh. Will knock you out. Why do I keep doing that? Oh my goodness. I feel like I probably should have got another box. But I was like, no, I'm only doing my ends, which is literally the majority of my hair. Just real dumb. Like, what do I be thinking? Bro, if I knock out, call 911. It's just gonna be too late because I'm gonna be already in here passed out. Video won't even be uploaded, just be sitting here. Okay. Oh my God. Yikes. Yikes. Y'all. That, do you? Oh my God. This has me concerned. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm worried now. I'm worried. But oh, okay. Let's do the back tips. So if y'all see me do a big chop, you know why. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna put my roller back on my hair. And that box did not come with gloves. I was using my own gloves. All right. That took me 40 minutes to apply. I'm gonna go do my schoolwork and then I'm gonna take it off. Maybe, if I see a difference. I've been having this on here like it's a deep conditioner. But I feel like you can see the change. I'm scared to take it off. Oh my God. It's been like 2 hours because I took a quiz. Yeah. Okay. I'm not ready. Okay. Black hair. It looks so yellow on camera. Oh my God, y'all. Please. Oh my gosh. definitely two different colors. All right, I'm about to wash this out, and then I got a deep conditioner. It's avocado, mayo, olive oil, and grapeseed oil. Because I'm gonna need it after I done sat here and yo. Oh my gosh. Yo, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah. Obviously, it's not all the same color throughout. But I don't know. It's like sometimes I look at it, it's like, oh, I like it. Then there's other times I don't. And I kind of wish I did my roots. But I didn't do my roots because last time when I dyed it, I was just waiting for it to grow out because I didn't like the way it looked. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel. But y'all, so after I had like washed it out the first time, honey, I felt like my hair was about to fall off. I was like, bro, like, especially since I could feel the difference between my roots and the part I had dyed. I was like, oh my gosh. And like y'all saw, like when I was applying it and it was coming out, I was like, sweetie. But then I put in the conditioner that came in the box. I'm about to go see if they sell it in store because y'all see me playing in my hair. It feels so good, like, and it smells so good. It's like mango. I love mangoes, but also the packs were so small though. I used both the packs that were in there, and I also used some of this because that was not enough to cover my whole head, but and actually like get it saturated like I needed to. But y'all, come here, Goldilocks, okay? Ramen noodle. Come here, let me eat. Okay, all right. Let me stop right there. But yeah, y'all, if you're trying to go blonde or whatever, definitely recommend these. Yes, it was $3.99. But also take into consideration if your hair is like kind of thick, I guess, or coarse. I don't know how it would work on somebody else's hair, but I did unintentionally leave it in for over 2 hours. So I wouldn't really read the time on the box. I would just, you know, go based on your desired look and how comfortable you are with the possibility that your hair could fall off. Okay. But like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see y'all next week, baby.